Welcome back. October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. The organization Safehouse Denver works year-round to support domestic violence survivors. Joining us this afternoon is Jennifer KUSA. She's the CEO of Safehouse Denver. Thanks so much for coming in. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
So before we talk about the solution to the problem, let's talk about the problem. I know that the latest data from the Colorado Attorney General found 91 people died in domestic violence incidents back in 2021. So a little dated data, but that's the largest number since they started tracking that in 2017. Knowing that the data lags, what do things look like on the ground right now?
Well, right now in the city of Denver, year to date, we're looking at about 1,500 domestic violence incidents. That number last year around this time was significantly less. Last month in September, or this year in September, we've reported approximately 172 incidents of domestic violence here in the city of Denver, where last year in 2021, the same month, we were looking at 154. So homicides here in Denver in 2022, nearly 30% of homicides this year were related to family violence.
Wow, that's a staggering number. We know it's a problem. Every time I talk to police, they talk about this being one of their number one calls. What's driving the increase that we're seeing in this?
I would say the pandemic didn't help. Even though we're out of the pandemic, technically, domestic violence is always going to exist. It's something that I always say to myself and my staff, like, I hope to be out of a job soon, but I just don't see that happening. Financial abuse, when families are struggling financially, there's pressure on the family, and that creates a lot of issues in the household. There's generational violence as well, which we're struggling with here in the country. We also have children growing up in violent homes, and they think that that's a normal thing, and they go on to commit violence, many of those children as well. So it's very important for us as a society to recognize domestic violence as a public health threat. We are in a public health crisis with domestic violence right now.
You talk about how wonderful your staff is. Tell us about Safehouse Denver. What do you do, and what resources are available for people who might be in trouble, find themselves in a situation like this?
Sure. Safehouse Denver has been around for over 45 years. We provide safe emergency shelter. We provide non-residential counseling services for survivors. We also have an extended stay program, which provides apartment-based housing for individuals that may not be in immediate crisis right now, but need some extra support and time to get more permanent housing. We also have a 24-hour crisis and information line, which I hope that you'll show here on the screen. Thank you. And we are just always here to help people. So I want everyone to know that although October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, we need to be aware of it all year round, not just in October.
That number again, 303-318-9989. If you need help and you're in a situation right now, make sure you call that number. If you drive around town right now, you'll see a lot of the buildings in downtown Denver lit up purple for Domestic Violence Awareness Month. This issue is starting to get a lot of attention, and that's good. You have an event coming up tomorrow. Hope Gala. I'm proud to MC it again, I think for the 7th year this year. Give us the details of the gala.
Sure. Tomorrow night is our signature event, the Hope Gala. This year we are really excited to honor Lieutenant Adam Hernandez, retired Lieutenant Adam Hernandez. He was a lieutenant in Domestic Violence Prevention Unit at the Denver Police Department, so we're honoring him tomorrow night. We also have a tremendous family that is going to be speaking about their experience with Safehouse Denver, a mom and her now adult children. So we're looking forward to listening to them and just, it's a gathering, it's a celebration, the Hope Gala, and really looking forward to it.
All right. Jennifer KUSA, CEO of Safehouse Denver, thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you so much.